Hey, welcome back, Israel, to your Cable Data Science channel. First and foremost, a big shout out to the 47 people who watched this video on Friday. That is the most number of views for any of my COVID-19 reports on Friday. Those are the most. So that's fantastic. Of course, as we say here at the Cable Data Science channel, 47 views equals 47 likes. So now I need you to step up to the plate, view the video, and click the like button. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also share the video with a link on your email and text messages. Okay. Because today is Sunday, we are going to take a look first at the vaccination program for your country of Israel. I will just mention also, my trip for Israel has been moved from October of 2021 to May of 2022. So I'll be in Israel after Passover. Okay. I'll also be celebrating my birthday, my 67th, 68th birthday in May, also in Israel. Okay. So let's take a look now. You can see America has administered 133.4 million doses. Of that number, 5.95 million have received one dose, and 5.4 million have received a full treatment. So what this means is that 67% of the people have received one vaccination, and 62% of the people have received both vaccinations. So why are cases and deaths still going up if people are being vaccinated? Oh, I know, it's the variant. That's right. I forgot about the variant. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's continue on with the show. I kind of regressed there a little bit, not digressed, but regressed. Uh, the news is filled with the fact that you're seeing this massive surge, I think, in Israel because of there was this one uh, report that says something to the fact that COVID-19 cases increase in Israel despite a massive or despite an aggressive vaccination program. Really? So mass vaccinations aren't keeping people from getting COVID-19? Okay. 10.45 million, 6,950 deaths. And here you can see. Now, what I want you to actually notice here is when this started. Once again, we're seeing COVID-19 cases begin to climb in mid-July. Is this because of the variant? Okay. And why? Of course, again, the vaccination program may have absolutely no effect on these numbers. Okay. So what you can see here on August 25th, for the 7-day period, August 25th, you're averaging 8,615 cases per day. And deaths, you can still see an increase here, but it goes up to 55 deaths on the 22nd. Then it drops back down to 2 deaths on the 28th. So so a better measure here is probably on August the 25th. You were for the 7-day period in August the 25th, you were averaging 29 deaths per day. I'm not sure that's anything to panic over. Okay. So you can see here this 4 or 5 week increase in cases with no sign. Last week was the most cases for a single week since all the way back over here in February of 2021, in January 2021. Okay. What about cases? Well, cases still haven't caught these two numbers here, these two waves here. But there is what a 3 or 4 week increase, but those numbers are still down like maybe 150, 175 for last week. Okay. Cases, we can see that August cases are going to be the second most cases so far. But again, the COVID-19 vaccine may not have prevented any of these cases. Okay. Matter of fact, how many of these people were vaccinated? Okay. And while we can see an increase in deaths to almost 500, that's still below these 4 months. It's still below these 2 months right here. 500 months for the death in Israel. I still think those are pretty good numbers. Okay. But again, the question is how many of these people were vaccinated? Okay. Anyway, Israel, thanks so much for your time. Again, a big shout out to the 47 people who watched this video on Friday. Thanks so much to all those views. Of course, as we say here at the Caribou Data Science channel, 47 views equal 47 likes. So I'd appreciate it if you would, of course, view, but then click on the like button. Most important of all, click on the share button. Share this video with your friends and your family today. Thanks so much for your time, Israel. We'll see you tomorrow with an updated report.